Now, me dropping this is a great example. One thing you can do here really quickly is that if you're worried about dropping things, you can stuff some rags in various different places. So if you do drop something, it's not going to drop down into the motor. Now, the OEM bolts are usually steel, so you can get them with a long magnet if you have to. If you do some of the other options, like if you have titanium bolts or something similar, you're not going to be able to pick them up that way, and that's a big problem. So try really hard not to drop them and be very careful as you pull them out and are very organized, all right? So let me show you my box idea here really quick, and then we're going to work our way across. Use the new brace as a template here on the box and just draw out the shape. And then I'm just going to put the bolts all in the exact places as they come across out of the brace itself. That way I know exactly where they go back, and you can use this with dress-up bolts or OEM bolts, whatever you're doing, just to make sure that it's working out. Okay, so I'm going to leap back in and let's take a big chunk of those bolts out, and then we're going to work that brace out. Okay, y'all, so let's get caught up here. So I've got all the bolts all the way across the nose are out. The two bolts holding the front of the strut are out as well. Now, it is mostly loose, but your hood latches take a little bit of twisting to get out. And I want to show you the easiest way possible to do this. So I'm actually going to take the strut off so we can lift and kind of feed these out rather than trying to slide this out from underneath. So you've got two plastic covers in the back with a twist 10mm plastic nuts. I'll show you in just a second. So we're going to take the strut bar off. So to take this plastic cover off, there is a little plastic retaining. When you pull the center pin and pull that plastic expanding clip out, this plastic piece has three 10mm quarter turns, and then you can lift this kind of triangular piece up and out. One thing to be aware of here on this side, this is your positive battery post. My battery is still connected, so be very careful operating around this. I normally will take a glove and put it over the top of a rubber glove, and normally put it over the top of my battery post anytime I'm working around it. You'll either have 2 or 3 13mm on each side. I haven't done the other side yet, but I wanted to show you what this looks like, so go ahead and take that out. This rubber boot on this side can just lift. And on the other side, you have a similar rubber boot right here, but you just have to slide that end out. You don't have to take anything extra off or take the expanding rivet out. So go ahead and get your strut bar off, and then we're going to look to get the rest of this front brace off. Now that the strut brace is off, and don't forget you've got a 10mm here that connects your reservoir to the strut brace. So you got to take that out. Lift and pull and set it safely aside. Don't forget that's a very expensive piece, so treat it very gently. Okay? Now you can take this center support here you have for your front intake, you just press on the little clips and rotate it up and out of the way, and we're going to transfer this to the new one. But if you grab a hold, you can see it's loose at this point, right? So the only thing that's really holding it down is going to be your hood clip on this side, which I just fit the brace up and around it.